Welcome to Kerika. This is a Kerika Task Board, your team's visual command center for any project. At a glance, you can see everything that needs to get done. Each card on the board represents a specific task. The columns show how your work flows from one stage to the next, from initial planning through progress, all the way to completion. It gives everyone a clear, real-time view of the entire project. But a task is much more than just a title. Let's open one up. Inside every task, you can add all the necessary details, instructions, and context your team needs to get started without confusion. You can break down larger jobs into smaller, manageable steps using checklists. It's the perfect way to track progress on more complex work items. Tired of hunting through endless email chains and chat threads? Keep all conversations right where they belong, in the task card itself. And you can attach all your relevant files, documents, and even content from the web. Everything your team needs is centralized in one easy-to-find place. As projects grow, boards can get busy. That's where highlights come in. With a single click, you can instantly filter the board to cut through the noise. For example, you can highlight just what's assigned to you, what's overdue, or what needs your immediate attention. It helps you and your team stay focused on what matters most. Finding information is fast and easy. Kerika's search is incredibly powerful. It instantly finds matching tasks on your current board. But it also searches across all your other projects simultaneously. It even searches inside the content of your attachments, so you'll never lose that important document or piece of feedback again. Stay organized, focused, and collaborative. Enjoy Kerika.